Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm just taking with me on my chores today. It's been a nasty weekend. It's still raining a lot here. I can't hardly see. But we're gonna go do our chores. This is your first time here. You want to learn about small farming, goats, chickens, egg layers, a lot of vegetable going on. Then subscribe to our channel. Be right down here on this side down here, a little red button. Just hit it. But then you'll get notified every time we post a video. But let's start. We're gonna start down here feeding the goats, and we'll get they get to pull in the barn when it's not raining. So. No babies yet. Well, now I checked this morning. Let's go check now. Let's see. Let me turn some lights on. Any babies? Any babies? No? No babies? No babies today, so. Gigi here's a YouTube star now. Yeah, I did a little short video on her and she blew up on TikTok and on YouTube shorts. So anyway. Alright, I'll sit y'all up here and we'll get to feeding these. Let me get you a close-up of Peanut. He really still cute as a button. Come here, Peanut. Come here, boy. Come here. Here. All right. He's not cooperating, so I'll get them fed here. I also feed them, I feed both of them a little hay, especially this time of year. I don't feed them as much hay in the summer when they go out back and eat, but right now. But this is that hay that we put up in a video, oh gosh, I don't know, back in the spring, I guess. So hopefully I have another one this spring. Another video, hay video. All right, let me check your water. We're good. All right, let's go get the chicken feed. Right here's the stand. I think what I'm gonna do is, build a little ramp for them. I think it'd be easier on me anyway, because I have to lift them up there. So I might do that this week. And it's been going good. I think once she has her baby, or both of them have their baby, I think it's going to be all right. They seem not to bother that much, don't bother that much, you know, to get out here and get on it. So I would do it today, but it's a nasty. Let's keep on going. One thing I will say, we had to go up on our egg prices first of the year, and we didn't much want to, but we had to. I mean, our feed prices have increased twice when we started. So last January, when we first started selling eggs, our feed prices almost doubled. So, and we only went up $1. We didn't double our prices. So we're gonna see how that goes. And I mean, we might have another price increase, but right now they're $3 a dozen. And it's not something we did lightly. We had a big family debate and stuff, and I should have filmed that. That would have been good. And so we had to go up to $3. So all our egg customers, I'm sorry, but and if prices go down, we'll come back down too. So I mean, it's nothing to do with the. Somebody said prices at the store are $6 or $7. I don't know. We ain't bought eggs in over 2 years, so I don't even know how much they cost. I keep asking, you know, for the look, and she keeps forgetting. I forget asking, so, you know, I hate it, but something we had to do. Let's go feed the chickens now. Oh, I gotta feed the sheep too. Don't forget about the sheep. I gotta feed them. Of course, my plan was to work on my fencing, and I probably could have got it all done, but it rained. Weatherman said 20% for Saturday, and it rained all day here Saturday, and it's rained all day here today. Of course, I usually don't work on projects on Sunday anyway. I just do my chores. So. And we had another video, and it accidentally got deleted. It was I'll have to redo it. I'm not going to tell you what it was about, but it was pretty interesting. Probably been my best video ever. It's gone now, so I'm just kidding. Let's go feed the chickens. You know, quite a few of these will be gone, and I've started selling this out of this flock. Let me turn this off. I started selling out of this flock. As a matter of fact, I sold several yesterday and today, so I don't know how many got left. I'm gonna throw some feed out there and try to count them. But, they're a little nervous. They think I'm gonna come get them again. But anyway. Of course, I'm gonna take that money that we make off these and buy some more chicks. And yeah, it's gonna go pretty big. We're still gonna go pretty big, I think. But I'm gonna redo this. As soon as I get these out here and sell them all, I'm gonna redo this contraction here. This is just way too heavy. You can see, like right here, it's I moved it either Thursday or Friday, and it dug up like that. I really need to move it today, but I ain't going to. And it's just way too heavy. Let's go. I've got to get water, so let's back up. I'll get some water, and we'll go get the rest of it. I believe sheep are the easiest animals I got to take care of. I mean, they complain sometimes, but not like the goats do. They just move on and they eat briars and everything. That's amazing. All right, on to the next stop. I still haven't put their new water thing in that I made yet. It's been so cold and nasty every time. I got a half a dozen today. Really not that bad considering the weather, I guess. I don't know if they mind it as much as we do. All right, one more stop. Actually, I'd go back to a different water on theirs there during the big freeze we had during Christmas that broke their water. So. Got one. 7 eggs today. I hope you like this little short video. Day in the life in the rain, doing our chores. It's got to get done. They don't care if it rains or not. And we'll be back on the fence, weather permitting. This weekend coming up, the 14, 15, 16, somewhere in there, I might start my greenhouse. So yeah, I need to get it done before February. So I'll be doing the fencing in the greenhouse concurrently. So watch for that video, and I got a couple of little things I need to do too that I got to do. I'll film them. Hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. We got all the new subscribers. Had a big influx of subscribers thanks to Gigi, and we're a small farm, Southeast Tennessee. We post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to learn about small farms and farming and how to stay dry, which I'm not doing a very good job of, raising chickens, gardening, small gardens. We're gonna have a kitchen garden this year, so I need to do a video on our plans. So I might do that next video. And goats, starting a goat dairy. We're actually just our first time doing a goat dairy. We've had plenty of goats in the past. This is our first goat dairy. So anyway, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here on the farm in the next video.